Good afternoon, my dear children. Welcome to Computer Online class. How are you? Hope you are doing well. Okay, now we'll recall what we have learned in the last class. Do you remember? So, what's the name of this chapter? Chapter 1? More on Word 2013, right? So, in the first class, we have seen about page formatting features. And in the last class, what we have seen? We have seen column formatting features, right? So in that we have simple column options and multiple or more column options we have seen. So how you will do the settings here? So we have to go to the page layout tab, right? So click the page layout tab, and in the page setup group, here is the page setup group. In that you can select the column options. Yes, 1, 2, 3, left, right. So these column options you have, and apart from this you have more column options. For setting the advanced features you have the more column options, right? Okay. In today's class, we'll see about the next formatting feature, that is paragraph formatting. Okay, so the paragraph formatting features of Word 2013 can be used to set the appearance of text in a paragraph. So how you will arrange the text in a paragraph? These formatting features we will learn in this class. Okay. The first formatting feature is line spacing. What is line spacing? Line spacing is the amount of white space between two consecutive lines of text in a paragraph. See here, between two lines. See, these are the two lines, and between two lines you can see the white space here, right? So this amount of white space is called the line spacing. So this white space is called the line spacing in a paragraph. Okay, it is measured in terms of number of lines or units called points. So how you can measure this line spacing? In terms of number of lines or in points. Okay, so in two ways you can measure the line spacing. Okay. Now let's see the steps to set line spacing in a paragraph or in multiple paragraphs. Okay, so the first step, place the cursor within the paragraph or select the paragraph. See, for example, you want to select two paragraphs, you can select the paragraphs first. The next step, click the home tab. See, here is the home tab. Okay, you can click this home tab. The third step, in the paragraph group, see, here is the paragraph group. Okay, so this is the paragraph group. So in the paragraph group, click the line and paragraph spacing button. So you have to click which button? Line and paragraph spacing button. Here is the line and paragraph spacing button. Okay, so this is line and paragraph spacing button. You have to click this button. Okay, so now you have to select the required option in the drop down menu. When you click this button, you can see a drop down menu like this, right? So here you can select your option. Okay, and advanced line spacing options is also available. So once again, click the home tab, then you have to click the paragraph group. In that you have to click which button? Line and paragraph spacing button. You can see a drop down menu. So in that you can select the options. Okay, you have advanced line spacing options also. Okay, now when you click the line spacing options, you can see a paragraph dialog box will appear like this. So this is the paragraph dialog box. So in that you have to click indents and spacing tab. See, here is the indents and spacing tab. You have to click this. Okay, specify the line spacing and click OK. So here you have the spacing option, right? Spacing option, before, after. So line spacing, it's mentioned in the number of lines, right? As I told you before, line spacing can be expressed by means of number of lines. So 1.5 line spacing, single line spacing, double line spacing you have. Okay, so now you can set your line spacing options here and you can click OK. Okay, see, now we can see about the line spacing shortcuts. Okay, keyboard shortcuts for line spacing. So first you have to select the paragraph, and then what you have to do, for single line spacing you have to click Ctrl plus 1. For single line spacing, what's the keyboard shortcut used? Ctrl plus 1. Okay, 1 single line spacing. For double line spacing you can use Ctrl plus 2. What's the keyboard shortcut for double line spacing? Control plus 2. And the third is for 1.5 line spacing, you have to click control plus not 1.5, that is 5. Okay, control plus 5 stands for 1.5 line spacing. Okay, if you need 1.5 line spacing, you can click control plus 5. Okay, so these are the 3 keyboard shortcuts used for setting the line spacing. Okay, are you clear with the line spacing features? Yes. Okay, so the next feature under paragraph formatting is paragraph spacing. Okay, what is paragraph spacing? Paragraph spacing is the amount of white space between two adjacent paragraphs. Okay, we have seen about line spacing and here we are going to see about paragraph spacing. So, this is the amount of white space between two adjacent paragraphs. See, here is one paragraph and here is another paragraph. So, in between these two paragraphs, you can see a white space, right? So, this spacing is called the paragraph spacing. Okay, the amount of white space between two adjacent paragraphs. This is the first paragraph and this is the second paragraph. Between these two paragraphs, the amount of white space. Okay, this is paragraph spacing. But what is line spacing? Between two consecutive lines of text. Okay, so between these two lines, the amount of white space is called line spacing. Okay, but between these two paragraphs, the amount of white space is paragraph spacing. So it can also be measured in terms of number of lines or points. So same like line spacing, you can measure this paragraph spacing in terms of number of lines, you can say, or as points. Okay. Let's see the steps to set the paragraph spacing. Okay. The first step, place the cursor within a paragraph or select several paragraphs. So first you have to place the cursor in which paragraph you want to do the formatting. You can select that paragraph or you can place the cursor in that paragraph. Okay. The next step, click the page layout tab. See, here is the page layout tab. You have to click the page layout tab. And the next step, in the paragraph group. Okay, so under the page layout tab, you can see a paragraph group like this. Okay, so in the paragraph group, you have to specify the spacing before and after the paragraph. See, you can see an option like this. Okay, this is spacing before and this is spacing after. So here you can click and you can change the values in terms of points. Okay, so once again you have to click the page layout tab, then under the paragraph group you can select the spacing option, spacing before or spacing after, and you can change the values. Okay, so let's recall today's portion. So today's class we have seen about the paragraph formatting, right? So in that we have seen line spacing and paragraph spacing. Okay, so first let's see about the line spacing. So what is line spacing? Line spacing is the amount of white space between two consecutive lines of text in a paragraph. See, between these two lines, what is the amount of white space used? That is line spacing. So to set the line spacing, what you have to do? First, you have to place the cursor in a paragraph. See, suppose I want to format the first paragraph. So I have to place the cursor here. So anywhere you can place the cursor. And the next step, click the home tab. See here, here is the home tab. Okay, and in that home tab you can see the paragraph group here, right? So this is the paragraph group. In that you have to click the line and paragraph spacing button. See here, this is the line and paragraph spacing button. You have to click that button. So you can see a drop down menu here, right? So here required option you can select. See, single line spacing 1 and 1.15 line spacing is here. 1.5. See here, when I click 1.5, the spacing changed for first paragraph. Can you observe that? And if I click double line spacing, 2.5 line spacing, 3 line spacing, can you see the difference? Yes. So we have selected the first paragraph, right? So we have placed the cursor in the first paragraph so that this formatting is applied only to the first paragraph. If you want to format it for all the paragraph, you have to select all the 4 or 5 paragraphs. Okay. So now I have selected this option. Okay. See here. Now this is in the 3 line spacing format. Okay, so now one more option we have, line spacing option. So when you click this line spacing options, you can see a dialog box, right? Paragraph dialog box you can see here, right? So in that you have to click the indents and spacing tab. See here, indents and spacing. So in that you can have the spacing options you can set. Okay, so line spacing, multiple, double, single. Okay, so you can set the options here. Okay, line spacing options, and finally you have to click OK. Okay, so now let's apply the keyboard shortcuts in this paragraph. See, now I have selected this paragraph, and the first keyboard shortcut is Control plus 1, right? If I click Control and 1, that is single line spacing, no change. Okay, now let's see Control plus 2. Now I press Control plus 2. What happens? It becomes double line spacing, right? And if I click Control plus 5, it becomes 1.5 line spacing. Okay, this is how you have to apply the keyboard shortcuts for the line spacing. Okay, the next is paragraph spacing. Paragraph spacing, what is paragraph spacing? Paragraph spacing is the amount of white space between two paragraphs. Okay, between these two adjacent paragraphs, how much is the amount of white space used? Okay, so this is paragraph spacing. Now let's see the steps how to set the paragraph spacing. So first you can keep the cursor in the paragraph, or you can select all the 3 paragraphs. Okay, now you have to go to page layout tab. So where you have to go? Page layout tab. Okay, and in that you can see the paragraph group here, right? So here you have the paragraph group, and in that you can specify the before and after options. See here, before, spacing before, and this is spacing after. Okay, see what happens. If you increase the spacing before the paragraph, the spacing is getting increased, right? So here the spacing is getting increased before the paragraph, and after paragraph. So if I reduce this, it becomes reduced, right? So if I click after paragraph, see, after the first paragraph, the spacing is getting increased, right? So this is how you have to set the spacing before and after. Okay. Okay, dear children, hope you understood today's topic, right? Yes, paragraph formatting, line spacing features, and paragraph spacing features. Okay, so in the first class I have given one question answer to copy in your computer notebook, right? Have you all copied and you have learned the question answer? I hope you have learned that question answers, but nobody has replied me for that. Okay, so today I'll give the worksheet question answers for you. You have to copy the notes and you have to send the snapshot to me. Don't forget it. After copying the notes in your computer notebook, send a snapshot to me. Okay, so thank you, dear children. Take care. Have a great day.